Hey à tous, aujourd'hui on se retrouve sur Life is Strange 2 pour la suite. Alors on s'était arrêté au moment où les deux frères y partaient de chez eux. Donc ça fait 2 jours qu'ils sont en train de marcher.
No, man. We can't stop here. We gotta keep going. No pouting, okay? Come on.
But, my feet really hurt. These shoes suck. And we've been walking for 4 days.
What? Only 2. Don't even try that shit.
And my back hurts from sleeping under that stupid bridge.
Yeah, so does mine. I was there too. Just knock it off. Hate it when you act like this. This is how people camp in the woods. It's not like being at home or in your room. This is a real adventure, right? So, come on. Let's hit the trail. Seriously.
Where's Dad?
Daniel, come on. We gotta go.
Why isn't Dad with us, Sean? Doesn't he want to go camping too?
Yes, but I told you that he can't. I told you. Okay?
Okay. But I'm so sick
Je
of
me demande bien ce
walking.
qu'il lui a dit quand même.
I just wish I was back in my room.
I know. Hey, at least we don't have to go to school on Monday, right?
Parce que Daniel il était inconscient si je me souviens bien.
Everybody's gonna be so stoked when they find out how far you walked.
Really? Really? I bet Dad would be too. Do you think we walked, like, maybe 100 miles?
Probably 200. Feels like it.
Ooh, awesome possum. But next time, Dad better get me a good pair of shoes, like yours.
Dude, a Bigfoot doesn't need good shoes.
I'd rather be a wolf. Ow! We could be wolves.
Yeah, that works. Just work on that how. Hey, you know what? Let's see if you can walk the whole way without complaining once. Huh?
Like, you don't whine too?
I don't whine. I tag your ass and run. You're it.
No way! Not fair!
Whatever.
Okay, I'm a zombie, and I'm gonna eat you! Blah!
Ah, il a fait tomber son masque.
we there yet?
Dude, stop. You know what? You're not allowed to say that. Ever again.
Yes, sir.
You'll be the first one to know when we get there, okay? I'm tired and hungry too. Listen, this looks like a perfect place to camp out. I bet we're not the first people to stay the night.
It's creepy. There's nobody out here. We didn't even see any cars.
We're gonna camp here. I'll look out for you.
C'est vrai que tout le long où il marchait, j'ai pas vu une seule voiture, hein. Ça a l'air d'être assez désert. Bon, d'un côté, tant mieux, parce qu'il faut pas qu'il se fasse repérer. Là, on peut courir, d'accord. Bon. Ils ont l'énergie de courir après avoir marché autant. Et ben voilà, il y a une voiture ici.
Man, it's so dirty.
A car out here? Hope the driver isn't around watching us. What do you find?
Check it out.
Je me demande elle est là depuis combien de temps.
Choco Crisp bar on the dashboard.
Yeah, I see it.
You know I love Choco Crisp bars. I
Oui,
haven't
je m'en
had
souviens
one
qu'il
in a
aime.
million years.
Qu'il aime les Choco
Yeah, right.
Crips.
More like 2 days ago.
Come on. Can we please get one when we stop next? Please?
On va prendre celle-là. Non, sûrement pas. Alors, sûrement pas. J'ai pas envie de lui enseigner ça.
I promise.
Yeah.
And you can wash it down with a frosty root beer.
Je vais
okay?
tout faire pour être un modèle pour
I'm
lui.
starving.
Just don't eat me.
Je vais juste voir jusqu'à où on peut aller. Oh, c'est un raton laveur.
We haven't seen.
On peut aller loin quand même. Ah non. On va dire que le panneau c'est la limite.
Please don't make me.
I won't. You did great today.
For real?
Of course.
Alors,
Let's go back in camp. Like anybody's gonna pay in the middle of nowhere.
d'accord.
Of course. Come on.
Boîte aux lettres, je peux faire quelque chose. Ouvrir, non.
Could take a quick peek. Of course. Come on. Let's go back in camp.
T'es où, Daniel?
We'll
Ah,
head
t'es
out
là.
tomorrow.
Sean, look. Gross. Roadkill.
Parle.
Come on, Daniel. Don't look at it.
It's not fair.
No. No, it's not, Daniel. How? No reception in this shithole.
Oui, c'est une forêt, c'est pour ça qu'il n'y a pas de réseau. Mais même avec du réseau, t'aurais fait quoi exactement? Je comprends pas trop.
Let's just hope that doesn't happen while we're here.
Ah bah, j'espère aussi.
I hope we don't get lost.
There must have been a big-ass storm.
Ooh, landslide. Doesn't sound good.
Should be fine. I don't know, I guess they missed that.
Oh,
What if
il y a
the
des
others
ours
came
ici.
after us? And they're hunters.
You're too little to hunt. We're cool.
Bah, j'espère qu'il n'y aura pas d'attaque d'ours. Je préfère m'attendre à tout dans ce jeu.
Now we can see where we are.
Encore faut-il savoir se repérer sur une
There's a
carte.
river nearby.
Hey,
Donc,
River,
ah d'accord, on est en
are
haut.
we gonna go swimming?
No.
Et c'est
duh.
quoi l'objectif au fait?
It's way too cold for your skinny butt.
Okay.
Parce que j'imagine qu'ils partent. Mais ils partent pour aller où? Après, en même temps, ils sont partis dans la précipitation, donc il n'a pas eu le temps de trop réfléchir à où aller.
Mark on the tree.
Il voulait juste fuir.
What is that? Graffiti?
Not exactly. It's called a trailblaze, and people used to put them up to give directions.
Like GPS?
Yeah, sure. just slightly more ancient.
Awesome. Let's follow it.
If only Dad was here. Come on, Daniel.
Allons-y.
Sun's
Allons-y.
going down. Man, people don't even read the signs.
Alors, personne n'a lu ces panneaux, mais ils devraient même pas avoir besoin de mettre ce genre de panneaux. Ça devrait être logique pour tout le monde.
Okay, dude. You have to use the bathroom?
No. It smells real bad.
No shit. Seriously? You better go now.
I don't have to go. Jeez. Can't I just pee on a tree?
S'il n'y a pas de WC, oui. Mais là, vu que c'est le cas, autant y aller. Et puis même, on est dans une forêt avec aucun réseau. Il fait presque nuit. Donc, c'est mieux de pas tenter. On sait jamais.
As long as you don't mind the poison ivy on your balls.
Well, maybe I'll go. But don't let me get stuck in there.
Don't worry. I'll call the forest plumbers if you fall in.
Il sait y faire avec son frère.
So gross. These are worse than the ones at school.
Especially after you use it.
Oh man, I'm so hungry for Choco Trips now. Sean, look how big these trees are.
That's only because they need the sun. Besides, they'll protect us from
En
the
effet.
What if they don't? What if they attack us?
Aren't you Mr. Minecraft? I thought you loved the forest. I watched you build giant cities out of logs.
I did. I built the biggest cities ever. Ooh. I can use my axe to chop up some wood. Then we can build a secret base.
Well, sounds like you're ready for the woods. Lead the way.
Ah, il y a autre chose là-bas, non? Une balise.
Whoa. That place is huge.
Yeah, Dad always knew exactly where to go.
Dommage qu'on peut pas lui montrer à chaque fois
It's kinda cool.
les balises pour lui expliquer, à moins qu'il ait déjà compris.
I don't think Daniel understands what's going on. I can't tell him the truth now. I just can't.
Oui, alors tu peux pas lui dire la vérité, mais au bout d'un moment, il va le savoir. Mais je comprends que tu sais pas comment lui dire.
This one looks like a Tetris block.
Ah, il y a des escaliers là-bas.
Ooh, Sean. Let's play hide and seek.
Euh,
You can't find me.
oui, exactement,
No,
c'est
not
pas le
right
moment.
now. We stick together.
Ah,
Puis c'est pas l'endroit
you're
surtout.
no fun.
Not today, I'm not. Sorry.
Whatever.
How am I gonna tell him the truth?
Au moins tu comptes lui dire la vérité, c'est déjà ça.
Picnic and hiking site. Well, I bet nobody comes out here to picnic anymore. Well, that's good for us.
No camping? Uh-oh.
Don't worry. Nobody's gonna find us out here.
Do not feed or disturb the animals? What? What kind of animals? Like bears? Or coyotes? Or...
On va pas l'inquiéter encore
More
plus.
like squirrels, rabbits, critters. Just don't bug them and they won't bug us. They're way more scared of us than we are of them.
Unless they're angry. Or hungry.
Okay, come on. Don't freak yourself out. Let's go.
Manger?
Man, if I had a wooden axe, we could build a city out of this forest.
Bon, il a l'air de savoir reconnaître si elles sont bonnes ou pas.
This looks like a message for Minecraft players.
À gravure.
I'll leave that to the zombies.
Nourriture pour chat?
We're not that desperate yet. People write some stupid shit sometimes.
Je suis d'accord avec toi. Qu'est-ce que c'est beau!
Damn. I'm so tired. Feels like we're walking nowhere. How am I supposed to take care of us out here? I don't even know what happened back there. To that cop. Or Daniel. How can that be?
Whoa. Look at that.
S'il est même pas sûr de comprendre ce qui s'est passé, comment il peut lui expliquer?
So
C'est
cool.
encore plus compliqué.
Never seen you get so jacked up over a nice view before.
So? I've never seen anything like this. Never, ever.
Yeah. I guess you haven't. I remember when Dad...
I wish Dad was here with us.
Well, thanks. Not cooling off anymore?
Yes, you're super cool. But I just wish the family was together. At home. It'll be cool to watch a movie and get a pizza and eat ice cream.
Dude, stop. I told you we have to keep going. We'll see Dad later. Right now, it's just you and me.
Il lui manque quand même.
Yeah, it's our part. We can do whatever we want.
That's right. So, we better go build a secret base so we can hide out for the night. Are you ready?
Yes, I can build anything. We just have to find some cool blocks around here. And be careful of creepers.
Okay. Let's go.
C'est vrai qu'elle est belle, la vue.
Hello, down there!
On va tenter tout droit, du coup, vu que c'était pas à gauche.
I bet Dad would play with me.
I bet nobody knows what they mean anymore.
What does that one say?
It tells us to go straight.
Oh,
Daniel, come check this out.
what? What?
Be quiet. He'll take off.
Ooh, raccoon. He's so cute.
That raccoon will tear us apart. Let's go, bro.
Here, kitty kitty. Here, kitty kitty.
Bah,
Aw, that
bon
raccoon
courage
must
pour le
be
retrouver.
starving.
Raccoons are way smarter than us. He'll find more food.
What if this raccoon is related to the one on the road?
Hey, don't think about stuff like that.
Maybe they were brothers, like us. Makes me
Dad showed me
sad.
how to read these when I was 8.
Je sais pas pourquoi je regarde des balises à chaque fois alors que j'ai l'impression que ça fait rien.
Just raccoons.
Looks like a charged creeper was here.
What?
Bah, c'est pas le bon chemin non plus.
I'm talking about Minecraft. Hey, there's another one here. Ooh, Sean, look. I discovered a secret path.
Coming.
Oui, bah, je l'avais juste un peu trouvé avant toi, mais c'est pas grave.
That's one big tree.
Okay. Now it's your turn. Hop on down. I'll catch you.
How come nobody is out here? Huh?
It's October. People don't hike as much.
So why are we?
Because we can. We're badass warriors, dude.
Cool.
B. Ils ont le... Ouais. Il n'y en a aucune qui est bonne à manger de B?
Oh man, I'm so hungry for Choco Trips now. I hope there be plenty.
Ah, celle-ci, oui.
Dude, I found some berries. Come get some.
Cool. I'm so hungry. They're not bad.
Il n'y avait pas écrit nid d'oiseau? Ah si.
Hey, Daniel, you hear that?
Is that a bird's nest?
Oh, yeah. They're everywhere out here.
At least they have a home.
Come on. We're too big for a nest.
This is pretty high up.
Come on. I got you.
Phew. Thanks.
Champignon sinistré, qu'est-ce que c'est?
You see that? Looks like a clicker.
What the hell is that?
Creepy.
I should have listened in biology class. Yeah.
Stop it.
Tu nous suis, Daniel? Il a pris un autre chemin.
I got you.
Dude,
Ça m'a un peu surprise quand même. Hein.
that did not scare me.
Liar, liar. I saw your face.
That was, surprise. Maybe you scared me for like 1 second.
I got you. I eat you. Don't mess with the zombie.
C'est encore plus beau ici, c'est encore plus joli que où on était tout à l'heure.
Ooh, looks like a cave. Kind of spooky.
No. Actually, it's kind of perfect.
For what?
For us, man.
We're gonna stay in there? I don't know.
Come on, Daniel. Look, this could be our secret base.
We could fight off any skeletons or creepers with some good traps.
Cool. In that case, we definitely need to get a fire going first, right?
Right. Yes. So what do we need?
On lui expliquera en même temps ce qu'il faut faire pour faire du feu,
I know you
mais
can build a camp, got all those
faut qu'on lui montre.
creepers and whatever. And I'll take care of finding the wood. Deal?
Yes. I can build traps too. Nothing will get to us.
Awesome, dude.
I know.
Okay. Let's unpack. Finally.
Heureusement que pour la fête, il y avait besoin de couverture et autres. Ça nous sert bien. Qu'est-ce que c'est eux? C'est l'article de ce qui s'est passé? Mais Daniel, il va finir par le voir. Après, je comprends qu'il ait besoin, envie de le garder.
Oh man, our base is gonna be awesome. Look,
Coming!
let's see. Here's a good spot.
Bon, on doit chercher des bûches pour faire du feu.
One step here and wham.
Now this is perfect.
I wish I had some redstone. I could make way better traps.
Nice and dry.
Sec à côté de la rivière, je suis pas sûre.
That's enough for a toasty fire.
Uh-huh.
Hey, this isn't too bad.
Come
I guess Daniel can chill a little.
on. Hey, can you give me a hand?
Yeah.
Qu'est-ce qu'il est en train de faire avec ce tronc?
This is the best way to
Yo, what are you doing?
trying to move this branch to protect the base.
Good call.
Ah d'accord,
Here, let me take this side.
You got it?
We'll see.
ça a l'air très lourd.
Go ahead and...
Ils ont réussi à le pousser.
We did it. Nothing can get in here now.
Damn right. Nice work, Daniel.
Cool. I'll go check the river.
Bon, allons faire un tour aussi. Griffure. C'est pas très rassurant tout ça.
Shit, those are bear claws. I'm not gonna tell Daniel.
On ne va pas l'inquiéter. Je déteste les
I ran
araignées.
into a web like that when I was a kid. Ew.
Come out, fish, fish.
Un sous-vêtement, mais il y a vraiment tout et n'importe quoi ici. Un peu comme partout, j'ai l'impression.
Don't.
Truc bizarre.
What's that? That's too high to
Prendre.
reach. Daniel, can you see that?
Totally, but what is it?
It's your job to find out, if you want.
Okay, hold on. Whoa, careful, dude.
Come on. What do you see?
Oh, looks like fishing bait.
Well, let's take it. That's a souvenir.
We can hook it on your backpack.
Nice.
Je sais pas trop à quoi ça peut nous servir. Pierre.
Hey, what are you doing, Sean? Can I try?
You've never skipped stones?
Yeah, but it was a long time ago with Dad.
Okay, then show me.
Watch me.
Dude, come on. That's a boulder, not a rock. Here, you need a flat rock. Hold it like this. Look at my hand. Boom.
Okay, I get it. My turn.
Hold it with your thumb and finger. And spin your wrist when you throw.
Almost. What'd I do wrong?
Not bad. Give it another try.
Il a l'air d'avoir envie de continuer, donc on va continuer. S'il dirait qu'il voudrait arrêter, on arrêterait.
Close.
Try again. You've almost got it.
Ah! Man.
You're getting into the zone. Don't give up now.
Il l'encourage.
I did it! I did it! Did you see?
Oh yeah. That was awesome. I think you're ready for the Olympic stone skipping team. He thinks we're just going on a trip.
Ah, c'est ce que tu lui as dit.
Imagine when he'll find out what really happened.
Ooh! We can yell
Careful.
as much as we want.
Don't want to wake up covered in ants tomorrow.
J'espère aussi pour toi, mais bon, là où vous êtes, quand même, il y a des chances pour que vous soyez recouvert de fourmis. Bon, on a tout vu. J'imagine qu'on peut pas aller dans l'eau. Pierre. Ah, s'asseoir et dessiner, pourquoi pas.
Feels good to focus on something after all that shit.
Oh, you want to challenge me? Behold my sword.
Time to take the pen, dude.
Feel the blade. Ooh, almost got me.
Drawing starts by observing, like your teacher used to say. Okay, got it.
Ha! You can't defeat a DS.
Dad gave me the sketchbook. He was so fucking awesome. Pretty good. But I can add more details if I want. I've looked enough. Time to draw now.
Now that is a big
think I'm ready to draw this.
Très
This
beau dessin.
almost looks like a peaceful memory. Almost.
We could build a really cool fort here again.
On avait vu ça aussi.
Not today.
Est-ce qu'il y a des choses par là? J'ai pas l'impression. Polaroid?
Hope they had a better time than us. (1986)
C'est ancien,
Man, that's ancient.
effectivement.
We're doing okay together. He's such a little guy, but he's staying strong.
La liste pour la fête, j'avais oublié.
Check this out, Sean.
Ça doit pas être très agréable pour lui.
Nice view. You can see so far.
Wait, I'm coming.
Donc il est... Ah d'accord, il est juste au-dessus.
It's beautiful.
C'est vrai que c'est très beau.
Amazing, huh?
Je me lasse pas de cette vue.
See? It's not so bad here in the forest. Hey, look at those clouds. What do they look like to you?
I don't know. Cotton candy?
That's it? Cotton candy?
I don't know. What do you see?
Un dragon.
A dragon.
What? Where?
Okay. There's the tail. And the horns. And the fangs. And the smoke coming out of its mouth.
Oh, I see it. It's awesome. Wouldn't it be cool if we had a pet dragon?
Ça serait drôle. Non, ça serait dangereux surtout, hein, sérieusement.
I see something else. There's a giant douchebag.
Oh, yeah? Where?
Right here.
Right here, huh? Come on, let's go eat something.
On peut retourner là-bas?
had woody hats.
Non, c'est ce qui me semblait.
City out of this forest.
All right, Enano. We're cave people now. Time to make fire.
We make fire. Can I help?
You have a big mouth like me, so come on. Blow.
Yes.
Dude, don't blow it out.
Sorry. I wanted to do it like a movie.
Oh, nice. It's warming up.
Donc là, c'est la nuit. Je me demande ce qui va leur arriver cette nuit. Je sens qu'ils vont se faire attaquer ou qu'il va se passer quelque chose. Un glissement de terrain ou autre. Je sens que ça va pas être une nuit paisible. Heureusement que j'ai pris des chips pour la fête.
I know. Me too.
Et que j'ai pris des sodas et pas de la bière aussi.
I wish we had a cheeseburger and a milkshake like yesterday.
Dude, that shake was so good. Can't believe we found a diner on the way out here.
I want another one.
I know. We'll get you one. Promise. I am so over chips. Good I took those and not the beers.
C'est ce que j'ai
Daniel
dit.
needed this sugar rush. I could really use a smoke.
Man, this is the
Ah,
coolest
c'est à ça que
secret
tu
base
penses du coup.
ever.
Bon.
Nobody. Look, a full moon. Ooh!
Quite full yet, wolf boy.
There are werewolves.
En effet, elle est pas tout à fait pleine.
Dude, we are the wolves. See?
J'espère qu'ils sont pas en train d'attirer des animaux sauvages.
Man, I made a fire tonight. Dad would be proud. We're almost broke. How do we eat tomorrow? Wonder if I'll ever go back to school after this.
Bonne question. C'est... Ah oui, en effet. Et surtout, ça peut être utile. Il a une photo de son père, mais c'est vrai que ça doit lui faire mal, rien que de la voir. Chargeur de téléphone. Peut-être qu'il pourra charger son téléphone quelque part. C'est vrai que j'ai l'impression aussi que c'était une autre vie. Ça a tellement changé rapidement. Donc la carte. D'accord, donc d'accord. Je sais pas trop me repérer sur une carte, mais bon, et j'ai pas fini de regarder. J'en étais à où? Je fais n'importe quoi. Ok. Donc ça c'est la chambre, on s'était arrêté là, du coup ça on avait vu. Ah oui, donc c'est flou en plus pour lui. « 29 octobre, c'est aussi le jour... Oui, exactement, j'ai eu un doute, j'ai regardé, mais oui, le 29 octobre, et aujourd'hui, je filme la partie là, le 29 octobre 2025. Et là, c'était en 2016, c'est juste l'année qui change. Perturbant un peu quand même. Et là, c'est le dessin qu'on vient de faire, d'accord. Ah, il y a eu d'autres messages depuis? Ok. Bon, lui, c'est juste, il est curieux, il veut savoir ce qui s'est passé. On avait lu... non. Je remonte trop. Ah, il a pu lui répondre. Donc, ils se sont parlé hier. Mais il va pas bien. Oui, exactement, c'est ce qu'il dit en plus. Elle veut les aider, mais est-ce qu'elle peut vraiment les aider? Ah, c'est le matin qu'ils se sont arrêtés au dîner? D'accord, donc... Oui, bon, là, on peut pas t'appeler malheureusement. Je sais même pas si Shani voudra l'appeler. Très gentil le patron. Waouh, c'est hyper violent ce message. Après, c'est vrai que ça fait de eux des complices, peut-être. Mais en tout cas, oh, ça doit être super dur à lire pour lui. On a tout lu.
I'm so tired.
On a tout vu.
Now that's a fort. Good work, little bro.
On a vu, ça on a vu. Je pense pas qu'il va bien aussi.
You okay, buddy?
Yeah. Feels good to sit down. Sean, are you mad at me for what happened with Brett? I don't remember everything.
It's not your fault. Shit happens. Brett deserved it.
Why can't I remember? That's weird.
Don't worry, dude. You were running around all day. You tired out. It happens.
Choc post-traumatique, sûrement. Pour ça qu'il se souvient pas. En plus, si je me souviens bien, il était inconscient.
Funny how a little food chills Daniel out.
Sean, it's getting late.
You look tired. Ready to crash?
I've been ready all day. My feet hurt.
I think we earned some serious rest. I could sleep forever.
Not on this ground.
Better than freezing out there, right?
Way better. Now we have a real fire.
And a secure base. You did awesome today, Daniel.
Really?
Hell yeah. Yeah, you're like a real wilderness expert.
That's cool. Eyes won't stay open, Sean.
Sleep tight, bro.
Et on va s'arrêter là pour cette partie. Ça fait déjà un moment, ils ont trouvé un endroit pour dormir, donc oui, on va s'arrêter là. Et on verra bien comment la nuit se passe la prochaine fois. À bientôt dans une prochaine vidéo.